All right, guys, are some of you stuck? It's actually easier than you think. So let's look at 7 and 8. Let's put it into a sled. So I have 7, 8 in a sled. Now let's think about the factors that go into 7 and 8. Well, 2. No, 2 doesn't go in 7. 7's odd. 3. Nope, doesn't go into either. 4. Well, 4 goes into 8, but 4 doesn't go into 7. 5. No. 6. Nope. 7. No, nothing goes into both 7 and 8. So guess what? The only factor that goes into 7 and 8 is 1. And you're left with 7 and 8. And there is your doorstop. So GCF is on the, that's right, left. Who's your GCF? 1. LCM is all of them. 1 times 7 is 7, times 8 is 56. So your GCF is 1 and your LCM is 56. All right?